Oh no, 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 it can't come close.
Because good things come in twos, I've got the RACETRACK here and the brand new cookie from BMW. Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to the latest BMW 8 Series. It gracefully replaces the Gran Turismo 6 Series. But can it give us best of both worlds? Performance and a lush life? Well, we're gonna find out, aren't we? Clean and contemporary, just the way BMW's brand image is, but this car somehow brings so many emotions with those sleek, elegant, long lines, contoured long bonnet, long lights. I say it's a pretty sweet kiss goodbye to the 6 Series. Under the bonnet we've got a 4.4-litre V8 petrol engine which produces 530 horsepower and a torque of 750 Nm. There's also a 3-litre turbocharged diesel engine. I think things are looking very promising. The interior is luxurious, yet it's very relaxed, high quality materials, simple, clean and cluttered. The seats are sitting very low, but they're super comfortable and very posh. And how does it feel to drive this car on a normal road? Very sporty, very sharp and super precise. This is an all-wheel drive, however, it only acts as an all-wheel drive when it detects a slip or a heavy load. So, what of it's doing now, because I've had a bit of chocolate last night, so maybe it is a heavy load and maybe it is an all-wheel drive. Having said that, it is quite slippery because it is quite wet, but generally you feel the sensation of being pushed rather than being pulled. The suspension, adaptive air suspension, comes as standard. It feels fairly sporty, stiff, but you know, manages to absorb most of the bumps and imperfections just the way Gran Turismo should be. It's got all the driving assistance systems, so it's a perfect long distance cruiser. But of course, if you decide to put your foot down, and God almighty, they're driving slowly in Portugal. German cars are not designed for this kind of a road. This German mama's got too much horsepower for this cruisy road. RACETRACK, and Estoril is a pretty wonderful circuit. So the new 8 Series, long, sleek, very low-sitting body makes this car look very attractive and very sexy. But where this attractiveness really becomes very practical and useful is exactly right here on the RACETRACK. This car handles like a dream. It's sharp, it's pointy, it's very responsive and very, very aggressive. It becomes like this wild animal here. I'm driving in a pouring rain. Goodness gracious me, BMW, you have built, well, one wonderful machine. It's got so much confidence, so much poise, but at the same time, so much elegance. Well, it's good to be back. So we know BMW is famous for steering and handling it well in the 8 Series. Pretty perfect. Pretty perfect. They really nailed it despite its large body size. It's sharp, it's precise, it's on point. We've got 8-speed automatic gearbox. The gear is smooth and seamless. In a normal mode, comfort mode, you put it to sport. And boy, it's like a horse. It's very dynamic. It changes the gears quickly. In theory, when you rush on the brakes, you should feel the gears being chopped down. I think in practice you can't quite feel it, but even if I'm driving in sport, it's just so smooth and seamless. You know, 3.7 seconds 0 to 100. I bet it's making the supercars feel a little bit uncomfortable because this is such an all-rounder car. You can drive it on a racetrack, you can drive it to the beach, you can drive it in the city. You can go on holidays, a perfect Gran Turismo, all the systems to make your life easier. Well, puts a lot of supercars to shame, not just making them feel uncomfortable. And I think that's enough. Enough blabbering for today. It's been a short trip, short time to experience the new 8 Series, and what I can say, well, you know, but when they do, boy, it's worth waiting. And that's exactly what is happening with the 8 Series. It is such a strikingly beautiful car. I'm a fan of coupés, Gran Turismos. They are just so beautiful, sexy, sporty, young and fresh. This car is also practical. And of course, it is fun. I mean, lots and lots of fun. And you might be wondering, there's a man next to me sitting. He's not my husband, and now he's laughing. He's not my husband, don't worry, I did not get married just yet. He's actually a part of RAMP, and RAMP is a beautiful magazine printed in Germany, but it is printed in English, German, and I believe also Mandarin. And this is the first time this video actually was possible because of RAMP, and hopefully we're going to see a little bit more of RAMP on my channel and a little bit more of me in RAMP. So I'd like to thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. As always, I look forward to your comments and your questions. This video is short because my test drive was short, but rest assured, when this car arrives in Switzerland, is available for test driving, I'm getting my hands on it very, very quickly. A big thank you to RAMP, of course. Super happy, super excited, and I will sure see you all very, very soon. Bye!